In this video, you are going to see how to display the percentage label in a pie chart in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us select the data, go to Insert, go to this pie chart option and go to More Pie Chart. If you want the 3D pie, click on over here, click on OK. Now let us go to Add Chart Element, go to Data Labels and click on Outside In. Then again go to Add Chart Element, go to Data Label, go to More Data Label option. Uncheck the value and click on the percentage and go to Number, and here go to Category and choose the percentage number format, and if you want the decimal numbering on, choose on. Now here this is looking very creative. Now select it. If you want to change the font from here, and if you want to change the style, you can change it from here very easily. From here, now click on over here, go to Chart Design, go to Add Chart, go to Data Labels. If you want, you may add data callout, and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.